welcome to Biblical Hebrew Made Easy. Today is lesson 41, and I'm going to continue the 10 Hebrew names, and I will be explaining the meaning of each name. So let's go to the lesson. Okay, our first name of the 10 names on my list is Miriam, and Miriam was the mother of Jesus. The name Miriam is a girl's name of Hebrew origin, meaning drop of the sea, bitter, or beloved. It's the oldest known form of Mary. And Miriam has been a particularly favorite name for Jewish parents. From Hebrew roots, it means mar, drop, or sea, or bitter. It's from the Hebrew mara, meaning the bitterness, and beloved in Egyptian and the Old Testament. Miriam appears in Exodus as the older sister of Moses and Aaron, and prophetess who led the triumphal song and dance after the crossing of the Red Sea and deliverance of the Israelites from the Egyptians. The Egyptian meaning for Miriam is obvious: mirror of God. The symbol for the name Miriam is frequently found inscribed in the pyramids as proof of my claim. Gabriel is a name. It has a combination of two Hebrew words, gever, meaning hero or strong man, and El, meaning God. The biblical angel Gabriel is mentioned by name in the book of Daniel and Luke. The feast day of the Archangel Gabriel is traditionally celebrated by the Catholic Church on September 29th and by the Orthodox Church on November 8th. Yeshua, the next name, is the Hebrew word Yeshua, meaning salvation. It is one of the names of God. It is only with the understanding that we recognize Jesus' name as Yeshua. Throughout the Old Testament, the Gospels were written in Greek, which means we lose some of its Hebrew context. Elijah means my God is Yah, short for Yahweh. Next name, Yaakov, which is James or Jacob. And Yaakov means held by the heel, and may God protect. The name comes either from the Hebrew root akav, meaning to follow, to be behind, substitute. Joseph. The name Joseph is a biblical name. It means he will add, give increase. David has deep biblical roots and means beloved. David was the second and greatest of the kings of Israel, ruling in the 10th century BC. Maria has the same meaning as Miriam. Moses, according to the Torah, the name Moses comes from the Hebrew verb meaning to pull out, to draw out of the water. And the infant Moses was given this name by the Pharaoh's daughter after she rescued him from the Nile. And you see that in Exodus 2:10. Melech means king. It's a given name of Hebrew origin, which it is a name used by Jewish people John, Yochanan. The name John is derived from the Hebrew Yochanan, meaning graced by God. It is a solid traditional name that shows strength, smarts, and kindness. It also means Jehovah. Jehovah has been gracious, has shown favor. Hope you enjoyed this lesson on the 10 Hebrew names and meaning. Please don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss any future lessons, and also give it a like and show your appreciation, as these lessons, they take time and dedication. Thanks for watching, and till our next lesson,